From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Christian Spallone from the Campus Weather Service, here with a look at your evening CNET forecast. As of this afternoon, as you take a look behind me, really sunny skies out there. It's a great mid-November day across the Commonwealth. Just some high clouds on all of our camera images across the state right now. And although we've been seeing dry conditions this week, the difference is today it's quite a bit warmer outside, seeing temperatures right now all the way up into the 60s statewide. So it's a really gorgeous day, plenty of that sunshine across the area. And so how does this compare to average for this time of year? Well, we're at least 10 to 20 degrees above average across most areas here. This map behind me shows our high temperatures so far today with their temperature departure plotted to the right of that. So we're seeing plus 13 here in State College, plus 17 up in Bradford. So it's very warm out there, anomalously warm for this time of year and dry. And we can see in our radar and satellite the real dryness across the Commonwealth right now. You do see some of those high clouds that I just mentioned a moment ago across different portions of the state. Some more cloud cover beginning to move in, and you can see evidence of that across the western regions of the Midwest here. We can see on our radar and satellite more cloud cover moving in across those areas with a frontal boundary that's beginning to develop across these regions. That's going to push into our area tomorrow, bringing more unsettled conditions with that and setting up a little bit of an unsettled and rainy end to the week. That's been going to break up this dry stretch, and it's been a pretty impressive dry stretch that we've been having here to start November here throughout most areas of Pennsylvania. So we can time it out for you as we go throughout the rest of tonight. And we see conditions dropping back into the upper 30s for our temperatures, clear skies, but some building cloud cover by later tonight. And we're expecting to see some rain showers begin to enter western Pennsylvania, especially up by Erie and the Lakeshore by the mid-tomorrow morning. And those rain showers will advance east throughout the day, getting into central Pennsylvania by tomorrow afternoon, the mid to late afternoon hours. We should see a band of northeast to southwest oriented rainfall sweep through the area. Temperatures quite mild, at least ahead of this boundary tomorrow. And this should sweep through and get to eastern areas of the state, begin tapering off by tomorrow night. But we see behind this quite chilly air begins to move into the area. Temperatures dropping off by Saturday morning all the way down into the 30s once again as we see northerly and northwesterly winds take over across the state. As we go ahead and time this out and head into the rest of the weekend, we're expecting conditions to clear out for the weekend, but it's chillier. We do see some northerly flow take over and even some snow showers modeled here in the GFS model across areas to our north and east. More cloud cover builds as we head towards Thanksgiving next week. Another system brews off to our southwest across the Midwest. More cloud cover in this rain, maybe even a little bit of snow modeled off to our northeast. We'll have to keep an eye to see how wintry this system will get. But it looks like there could be some wintry precipitation, at least off to our northeast of central Pennsylvania. This will push through, bringing some rain showers on Wednesday and hopefully drying us out by the time we get to Thanksgiving next week, bringing us dry, but it looks like cold conditions by that time. And we can see on our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook here, below average temperatures expected by the Climate Prediction Center as we head towards the later part of next week for the Thanksgiving holiday and into next weekend. So starting with our forecast, though, for tonight, 40 degrees expected for our low temperature here in State College with increasing cloud cover. As we head into tomorrow, that's when we have more precipitation move into the area, 60 degrees for our highest. Another mild day, but more rain expected by the mid to late afternoon. And finally, now our 7-day forecast for the State College area. After we get through those rain showers tomorrow, those should clear up by Saturday. Clear and cool conditions, 47 degrees, so much chillier for this weekend, only getting up to around 50 degrees on Sunday. Building clouds and chilly again to start next week on Monday, and then by Tuesday and into Wednesday, we'll start to see a little bit of rain enter the area. Again, maybe some mix and snow off towards the northeast in northeastern Pennsylvania, maybe some clouds lingering into Wednesday. Hopefully clearing out by the time we get to Thanksgiving, but chilly again for the Thanksgiving holiday, maybe even not even reaching the 40-degree mark by that time. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Christian Spallone. Have a great day.